Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore skin tones using DaVinci Resolve color management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching DaVinci Resolve and opening your project. Navigate to the color workspace located at the bottom of the interface. Select the clip you want to work on from the timeline. Locate the color wheels panel on the right side of the screen. Inspect the image and determine which areas need correction. Identify any unwanted color casts in the skin tones. Utilize the lift, gamma, and gain controls to adjust the overall balance. Focus on the gamma wheel to fine-tune the midtones, specifically skin areas. Gently drag the slider towards the desired color to warm or cool the tones. Next, use the curves panel to make more precise adjustments. Select the custom curves tool from the curves section. Create a curve that targets the reds and greens in the image. Raise or lower the curve points to enhance the desired skin tone. Check the waveform monitor to ensure your adjustments maintain proper levels. If necessary, switch to the qualifiers panel to isolate skin tones. Use the eyedropper tool to sample the skin area in your clip. Adjust the qualifier settings to refine your selection. Once satisfied with the selection, make final adjustments using the color wheels. Experiment with the saturation control to enhance vibrancy without losing realism. Lastly, review the changes by toggling the bypass button to compare the before and after. When finished, render your project to see the refined skin tones in the final output. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.